Welcome back. You're watching Your Book's Writing Order, the Mastery Objective. By the end of this video, future authors will be able to identify and explain which book writing order they plan to use, the chronological order, storytelling order, or combined structures. They will also be able to identify examples of each book writing format. Let's dive in. Okay, in the previous video, we looked step 2. We discussed how to unravel your book's title idea. In this video, we'll look at your book's writing order. So if you use the first order, the chronological order, you would tell what happened first and what happened last. This writing method is similar to a step-by-step approach. An example would be your memoir, a biography, or a book containing how-to instructions. Our second form of writing is storytelling. In this process, authors use their writing materials to pop out drama or a shocking event. Also in storytelling, the writing scenes might start in the middle, then split before alerting the reader of what happened. Let's look at an example. You would end the drama writing, leaving the audience in total suspense. Now, if you plan to use storytelling, you might want to ask yourself these questions. What is the significance or purpose of the scene? Which information am I planning to cover or keep covered? The reason you need to use these questions is that you want to be confident that you provide enough information in your scenes that will leave your readers excited. However, you don't want them to be too confused by the unanswered questions in your drama. The last step in book writing order is the combined structure. This step is where the author may be writing a memoir, chronological order, and then they switch to a chapter, which is a dramatic scene. This creative technique is similar to storytelling. Let's look at an example. An author starts to write a memoir in chronological format, but she also uses her memories of what happened when she wore specific footwear. The fact that she switched to trigger drama is a storytelling scene. As a result, the format is called combined structure. Why? There is a mixture of chronological format and storytelling format. Okay, future authors, in this presentation, you've learned to identify and explain what book writing order you want to use: chronological order, storytelling, or combined structure. You've also been able to identify examples of each format. In our next video, step 4, get ready for this. We'll look at how to identify your targeted audience. So, who do you want to purchase your book?